How to apply for N26 loan. Follow the instructions. Open the N26 app. Log into your account. Go to the credit section or swipe right to open the credit page. Choose the option for activating overdraft. Tap on Check Eligibility at the bottom of the screen. Wait for the eligibility check to complete. Tick the small box to accept the terms and conditions. Tap on the Activate Overdraft option when it appears. Set your desired overdraft limit. Review the proposed interest rate and terms. Confirm the activation of your overdraft. Wait for the final approval notification. Start using your overdraft once approved. Monitor your usage and repayment through the app. Thank you for watching.